Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? I am fine. Let's play the color mixing challenge. Let's get start the video. White and black. It should be gray. Oh, black and red. Oh, sorry, black and green. It should be dark green. It's true. Red and blue. Red and blue should be violet. Oh my god. Brown and green. Brown and green. It should be this color. Oh, yellow and pink. Yellow and pink. It should be number one. Oh, it's wrong. Green and violet color. It should be center one. Number two. Oh, it's wrong. Red and this color. It should be one. My 5 answers are right and 2 answers are false. So I think it's good. It's a good game. If you guys like this video, if you guys enjoy, like this video and give this video a huge thumbs up. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.